Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to cancel Google Photos subscription. So to cancel your Google Photos subscription, you could just follow the steps. Go to photos.google.com, and when you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom and you can see this option is start 100 GB trial. When you actually do this, you could go ahead and see the purchase history. Like you could go ahead and get any of these free trial as well. And similarly, in order to cancel your subscription, what you need to do is you just have to go to your trial or your subscription account or your subscription page. Since I don't have a subscription, so I'm going to use the Google's help center. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the help center by tapping on the question mark icon. Look here right on top, which is right over here, and on the search box I'm going to type in the information that is how to cancel Google Photo subscription. So you can see that I've instructed that on your iPhone or iPad, open the Google button, open the Google account app. On the left, tap on the membership plan, manage plan, and tap on cancel membership. Then you'd have to go ahead and tap on cancel subscription. With that, you'll have successfully cancel your Google Photos membership, and you could go ahead and look for the Android and all that. So that's how you could actually go ahead and cancel Google Photos subscription. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.